So another important part of agriculture is what we looked at before, is like the woodlots and the trees. Now, forestry is a huge important part of agriculture because it provides a lot of fuel. Not only fuel, as in firewood, but also other interesting things that we make. Some of the things that we make are important, certainly to the state of Pennsylvania. So, Pennsylvania grows a lot of a species called white ash. Now, white ash is sadly dying and disappearing in the state due to an invasive species called the emerald ash borer. So, this emerald ash borer will dig into the tree, it will bore into the tree, make a hole, then it will lay its eggs in there. When the eggs hatch, the little baby emerald ash borers will then go all around the tree and drill a bunch of holes. Eventually, the tree can't survive and dies. Now, why is this white ash so important? Now, a lot of wooden baseball bats are made out of white ash. Almost all baseball bats are made out of white ash, and specifically Pennsylvania white ash. This is huge and very important to Pennsylvania forestry. Now, other things include cherry trees and oak trees. They're used to make a lot of furniture. So, different things including kitchen tables or kitchen cabinets. Those are made out of a lot of oak and cherry wood. Now, things like basswood, which is a very light wood, can be used to make different things that won't be needed for heavy building. So a lot of model airplanes are made out of things like basswood because it is so light. Now, an important tree is the eastern hemlock that we see on the right side there. Now, eastern hemlock is the state tree of Pennsylvania. That is so important to the state. Hemlock trees can be used for different things. To be Many are used as shade trees, but they are also used in different building projects because hemlock is a very nice looking wood. But unfortunately, the hemlocks are being affected by an invasive species called the hemlock woolly adelgid. This is a little tiny insect that sucks the sap out of the tree and eventually kills the tree because it drinks all of its sap. It's like the theory of the vampires drinking all the blood of a person or an animal. These little bugs drink all the sap out of the tree and kills the tree. So they're not the best for the tree, but it's a very important tree to the world and to the country and to the state. Now, let's see what other things that we have on the property.